Hi everyone, myself Today welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So this is the DevOps series where we can able to use this DevOps course for your development of DevOps projects, guys. So presently we are in the fifth video of doing installation of Maven actually. So we want to install Maven. So why we want to install Maven? This is a build tool for Java repositories, actually Java kind of a build. So where we need to download the Maven actually, so and install it in the Windows. So throughout this course, I'm doing the Jenkins installation in Windows. So I'm using the Windows Jenkins installation to build and deploy and the post build action. Everything which I'll be doing in Windows machine itself. So I'm using Ansible and Docker server as a one. So and for Tomcat server, we are installing the Tomcat server in GCP actually. So installing in GCP and with the help of Terraform, we're going to create a compute instance for Tomcat server. So we're going to deploy our artifacts which we created using Maven to there. So this is a guide which I've created. So this is the README file which you can use of the repository. This is the repository which is being which I've posted. So you can use this workflow to complete all your problems which you're gonna face in throughout the series. So I have explained how to do this DevOps course without any kind of a problem. So all the things which I mentioned here. So nextly we are in the Maven installation. So downloading and integrating in Maven. So how to install Maven in Windows? So search for Maven, Maven Windows download. So Maven download for Windows. So click on this. So it is showing that we need a Java version should be installed previously. So while the installation of the Jenkins, we required Java. So we already installed Java while installing Jenkins on the Windows. So nextly we have to configure the Maven home path and the bin path for execution of Maven commands from the Jenkins server actually. So first we have to look into this. So and first we have to download this Maven actually, and we have to set the Maven home path and Maven bin home path actually. So go here, you have to download the zip file actually. I'm downloading this zip file. So it is started downloading. So let's go to the download folder. So it is downloaded. So extract it. So extract all. So if you clear it out, this the extra name which we get. So and extract in the current place itself, here itself in the current directory. So after the extraction is completed, we want to shift this folder to program files where all the programs will be installed. There we want to uh, cut and paste these Maven files actually. So that is complete by extracting. So now it is extracted. So you can cut this and you can go for the program files where you have installed. This is the program files where I am going. So this is the program file folder and Control V, and you can it's going to ask for the permission for administration. Click on continue. So it will be there in this folder. Click on this. So you copy this exact path, Control A, copy this path and search for environment variables here. So edit the system environment variables. So here click on environment variables and you will pop up this window. Previously when we did for Java home path, similarly we have to do it for Maven home also. Click on new, Maven home, all are in caps, underscore home, and the path we specify the path here and click on OK. So after that you have to add a path also. Edit, in the path edit. So go here and go to the bin folder and copy the path, and after copying the path click on new in the environment variables and paste the path. So once after the pasting the path of a bin directory, so click on OK and OK and OK. So once after you completed it, so search for CMD. um, CMD means it's a command line utility for Windows. So you can go for a CMD here. So in CMD search Java version. So Java JDK is installed and working fine perfectly, and Maven version. So it should show. So if everything is installed properly and you transferred your extracted and transferred your file to program files, and next after that when you paste the path of that in the Maven home and Maven bin for the path, so everything is working fine actually. So here you can see Maven home. So this is the path which is showing. So for the bin directory, for execution purpose, now it is using bin directory. So this completes the Maven installation. So next let us go for the Jenkins actually. So let us check the IP, or you can use the localhost for accessing Jenkins actually. So localhost port 8080. So the Jenkins is up and running. Admin. So that's the password which I have set it. So click on OK. So next you click on manage Jenkins. So you have to do two things. First is manage plugins. Next you have to configure the tool configuration. So manage Jenkins. So here you search for Maven. So you have to go for available. Then you have to search for Maven. So the first one which came is Maven integration. Click here and install without restart. You click on install without restart. It's going to install the Maven thing. So most of the dependencies which is already downloaded, so it is downloading the Maven integration and downloading the plugins extensions. It's going to take a couple of seconds to install it. Once after the installation, you can go back and you have to configure the Maven configuration. Next thing which you want to do it. So the installation is successful. So go back again, go for manage Jenkins. So go for global tool configuration. So here one thing which you can observe is that, so the Maven configuration is being present here. So the Git installation is already done. When you install the when you install the Jenkins in a Windows, it is asked for install suggested plugins. When you click on install suggested plugins, the Git will automatically installed actually. So next, come here. So here you can able to see this is the thing which you should be getting after installing Maven plugins. Add Maven. So you name it whatever the thing which you want. Maven 3.9.1. So okay. So version is this. So uncheck automatically install and give the Maven home directory. So which you have, right? So here where it is installed. So Maven home. So copy this directory, copy this path, and you place this path here. You have to remove the bin path actually. So bin should be removed. So after that you click on apply and save. So it's saved and click on save. So this completes the Maven installation. So if you want to check whether it is installed properly, so click on new item. Here you should get the Maven project. So in the next, we will going to use this Maven project to pull the code from the Git repository and build the Maven project. So since the Git is already installed, in the next video we will create a repository using Postman in GitHub. Then we will start with pulling the code from the GitHub. So thank you all guys. This is all about this video. Next video we shall meet with doing a Git integration with Jenkins to pull the code. Thank you all.